Hey YouTube, this is Passive Cash Stacker, where we do internet how-tos, social media marketing, show you how to get free TV. We also do bot and plugin reviews and show you how to work from home. Today what we're going to be showing you is how to instantly refresh your Craigslist ads and get them to the top. As you know, after a couple days you're able to refresh it and it'll pop it to the top of the list. But after about a week to 2 weeks, it no longer allows you to refresh it, and it sits at the bottom of the list, hundreds and hundreds of posts to the bottom, and it just sits there until it automatically deletes or expires at the end of 45 days. So we're going to show you a little trick today on Craigslist to be able to actually refresh it so you can get it right back to the top, and then in a couple days after that you can refresh it again. So I would say after about a week and a half, do this little tip or trick so that you constantly have the ability to keep your post towards the top, get more calls, get more traffic, and get more leads. So let's go ahead and hop right into it today. Alright, so we're here on the Craigslist account. We just went ahead and did the little trick here at the top. So what you're going to do is this one right here, as you see, it's going to expire 17 days from now. So it's been up there for, you know what, 28 days or so, and it no longer gives me the option to refresh. And I would say probably after about 10 to 11 days, you're no longer able to refresh it. So what you do is you come over here and you hit the delete button. Alright. So what you do is you're going to delete it, and it's going to take it out of that counting clock of the 45 days to delete. And are you sure, you know, this is your posting that you're deleting, and do you want to delete this post? Are you sure? Yes, you do want to delete this post. Get rid of it, karate chop it, all that kind of good stuff. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do repost this post. Now a lot of people don't know how to do this. People that have been on Craigslist for a long time, and this actually gives you the ability to quickly and easily get it right back to the top and not have to recreate the ad, because if your ad expires, you'll actually have to recreate the ad. Alright, so what you do is you just make sure all that your stuff is correct that you want to do. You continue. Alright, and then you publish it. It keeps your photos and everything. Now the great thing is if your post actually expires and you have to repost the whole thing manually, then you'll actually have to repost your pictures, which sucks, because then you have to get back in there, you have to add some more information, you have to put your pictures back on, and then go through the reposting process, which sucks. This one here takes about 10 to 11 seconds, and you're able to go to your post right away. Now let me show you here, if you see. So this is the post. Let me go ahead and move my face down a little bit. So go to the account, and you'll see at the account free scrap metal and appliance remover, right? Okay, so we'll go ahead and go to the account, and it shows free scrap metal, appliance, and removal. So let's move my back up, and you see that it was posted right now. So in a couple of days, we'll go ahead and be able to post it right back to the top of Craigslist, and then after about a week and a half, delete it and then repost it, so that you don't have to worry about not being buried at the bottom of the Craigslist ads, and you'll have the ability to be able to make more money, get more leads, and get out there and, you know, get whatever you want on Craigslist done, because you're always at the top of the listings. And that's how we do it here at Passive Cash Stacker. So thank you so much for watching. If this information was informative, please give us a big thumbs up. That you know, helps us make some more videos. And you know, if it was informative, please share it on Google+, on Facebook, on Twitter, all those kind of good social networks, and we appreciate it. If you like information like this, please subscribe to Passive Cash Stacker, so that we can give you the newest videos when they come out. And we, like I said, we show you how to watch free TV. We show you how to do internet how-to, social media marketing, bot and plugin reviews, and how to work from home. Thanks.